channel, it is Unicorn World. It has been a while, but today we're going to be doing a Care Bear unboxing. Here is the first look of our Care Bear, and here it says there's a special Care coin inside, and it tells all about the Care Bear. Our Care Bear is a yellow funshine bear. So, playful funshine bear works hard to make sure that everyone is having a good time. His sense of humor makes him the life of any party, and he really knows how to have fun. Now we finally get to unbox it. So, we're going to get it up here. Okay, here we go. Look at this little guy. He is so cute. He's so cute. He has a heart nose, and he actually has hearts everywhere. And on his belly, he has a sun because he likes to hang out in the sun. Now, since it says there was a shiny coin, we're gonna go look for that somewhere. There it is. It's the Care Bear coin. It says I care in the picture of Funshine Bear, and it says Funshine Bear. Let's see the back of it now. Okay, it says care out loud, share it, show it, and sing it. And in the middle it says wake up ready to care for others. Oh, I like this part where the good luck bear is waking up the shiny bear who is sleeping. And here it says living the fun life. Here's all the Care Bears you can collect. Cheer Bear, Tender Heart Bear, Good Luck Bear, Grumpy Bear, and Cheer Bear. Please like or subscribe to my friend's channel.